Subtract the following and then check the subtraction using addition. 68 minus 29. Let's solve the problem. 68 minus 29. Subtract the digits at the ones place first. That is 8 minus 9. Since 8 is smaller than 9, we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So, regroup 68 as 5 tens and 18 ones. Now subtract 9 from 18. We get 9. Now subtract the digits at the tens place. That is 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Hence, 68 minus 29 is equal to 39. Now we have to check our subtraction using addition. Add the difference, which is 39, and the subtrahend, which is 29. We get 68 as the answer, which is also the minuend. Hence, our subtraction is correct.
So students, now we want to check the subtraction by using addition. So how can we do that? Let's take an example and follow these steps. Okay. Like I take the example, that is 72 minus 35. Okay. You know its minuend, its subtrahend, and answer will be your difference. So subtract it. This is ones place, this is tens place. 2 minus 5. Can you subtract 5 minus 2? No. So here I need to regroup the numbers. Okay. When I borrow from tens, what will it become? It becomes 12, and what will left here? That is 6. Now you can easily subtract 5 from 12. Your answer will be 7. And now subtract 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 will be 3. Okay. Now student, this will be your minuend, this is your subtrahend, and this is your difference. So follow these steps. First, find the difference. You have already found the difference. Second, add the difference to the subtrahend. This is the difference, and when you add it to the subtrahend, this is the difference. Okay. And this is your subtrahend. When you add it, add it 7 plus 5. 12, 1 will be the carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. If sum is equal to the minuend, then your answer is correct. Means if this sum is equal to your minuend, then your answer is correct. So by following these steps, you can easily check the subtraction by addition. Okay. Now students, let's take an example that is based on checking subtraction by using addition. So first of all, you know this is your minuend, this is your subtrahend, and your answer will be difference. So first of all, subtract it and start subtraction from the ones place. Can you subtract 4 minus 3? Yes. 4 minus 3 will be 1. 7 minus 6 will be 1. Can you subtract 5 from 1? No. So there is need to borrow from the thousand place, means there is need to the regroup the numbers. When you regroup it, what number will come here? 11, and what will be left here? That will be 4. So subtract, you can easily subtract 5 from 11. Subtracted, that your answer will be 6, and 4 minus 1 will be 3. Okay. This is your difference. Okay. Now how can you check the subtraction by using addition? Your difference will come here 3611, and add in subtrahend. Your subtrahend is 1563. Okay. Now add it. 3 plus 1. First of all, place it in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Start addition from the ones place. 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 will come at 100 place and 1 will be the carry. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now you can see your sum is equal to minuend. So your checking by using addition is correct. Okay. So student, do this practice question by your